Okay, so Dick Grab, welcome to day one of my 3,000 kilometer challenge in 30 days. It's going to be a long month. It's probably going to be a wet month as well because it's monsoon season, and guess what? Day one, it's raining. I'm still going to go outside. Let's give it a go. Let's see how wet I can get and how much you can laugh at me while I'm out. It's going to be fun. We're live all day while I'm out on the bike, showing my power, my heart rate, my cadence. I have sensors on my body here that are going to be showing you leg angle, pelvic angle. I have a sensor on my shoe as well, that'll be showing you foot angle and dead spot score. I will be stacking down as many of these as I can. Bollocks energy gel. No, I'm not saying a naughty word, that's the name of them. Great product made by a great guy called Jürgen Schwinkels. Probably pronounced his name wrong as well. They're going to help me get through this tremendously. I also have electrolytes, and as from the next few days I'll be wearing this awesome shoe designed by my wife, Ching, which as you can see has the 3000 challenge. It's got a coconut tree, and the blue is actually the blue of Phuket. Phuket's provincial colour is blue. So they are going to be awesome to wear. Very proud of my wife, very talented. So I've also got my coffee, partly to wake me up. I had a huge thunderstorm last night, the whole house was vibrating. So I came down to see how my two dogs were, Hippo and Ninja. They weren't very happy. Also, caffeine can give a little bit of a stimulus to help burn fat. Depends how much coffee you normally use. Some people don't like coffee. For me, I'm a coffee man in the morning. So let's go on and get started soon. But good ride, soaking wet. They were white socks, they're now black socks, but it was fun. So I'm going to go in and train quickly. See you tomorrow, Pom Crap. Stay safe and donate please if you can for the 3000k challenge.